Jaime King reveals she suffered years of abuse as a minor.
Till it happens to you, you won't know how I feel.
After Lady Gaga's touching performance at Sunday's Oscars, King took to social media to thank the singer while also publicly opening up about her past, saying, quote, "Thank you, Lady Gaga. I finally felt a true healing from years of abuse as a minor in the industry. Time to be brave." The 36-year-old actress later thanked her husband, children, and close friends Taylor Swift and Lena Dunham, writing on Instagram, "Survivor, thank you Kyle Newman for loving me whole. My children, Lena Dunham for her relentless bravery that always leads my spirit to stand up. T.S., I love you for being there no matter what. Thank you to myself for not choosing to make this a cover story, but to express from my heart to you all personally which felt the most honest."